Hi, I'm Dylan.
And I'm Dana.
And this is the Horizon Base.
From FurnitureLab.
The Horizon Base offers our widest range of options for ultimate flexibility. Hey Dana,
Yeah?
check this out.
Oh. Give me a little twirl.
You got it. Now, it can fit into any space easily
Yeah.
for storage.
Those casters really make it easy to move around.
Oh, 100%, and they lock down too. So what if I have like a taller person sitting at the table or a shorter person?
Yeah,
like,
sure
there's
thing.
other options
Taller,
for that? Yeah.
there is an adjustable height mechanism. See,
Okay.
Just look a little closer.
Sure. What?
And, you know, for us shorties,
Right.
we do need to go a little further down.
Getting shorter all the time. 10-year warranty.
Made in the USA.
FurnitureLab.
Crafted to connect.